And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to clear Facebook activity log all at once. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So talking about it, you cannot clear your entire Facebook activity log all at once. Facebook does not offer a clear all button for the activity log. However, you can simply delete it each and individual entry of your activity manually. So for this, simply tap on your Facebook app. Once you do this, simply go to your profile. Once you're in the profile, tap on the gear-like icon, which is your settings. Simply scroll down and there you can find an option called activity log. Simply tap on it and tap on your Facebook activity. So simply select any of the section like your comments, posts and stuff like that. Simply tap on that particular manage save item option. And after you have done this, you can simply tap on the three dots option and tap on delete. After doing this, you need to simply delete each individual entry manually, as there is no option called clear all or clear at once. I hope this video was helpful for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.